Okay, next, which statement about all the atoms of isotope? Yeah. Okay, guys, what's the definition for isotope? Isotope, you have the same number of proton. Okay, same proton number, different number of neutron, right? Okay, different neutron, yeah. Okay, so they are all radioactive. Biggest joke ever. Carbon is not uranium. If uranium, yes lah. Okay, radioactive is not. They all have the same mass? No, because mass is proton plus neutron, right? How can they have the same mass? Okay, they have the same number of neutron. As what I mentioned, different number of neutron, right? Same number of electron. Reason, because electron and proton number, they are the same, right? So answer is donkey. Let's go, guys, move on to question 5. Okay, I'm not moving too fast, right? Oh yeah, I love this. Okay, silicon 4 oxide. So silicon 4 oxide, guys, silicon 4 oxide, it's having a similar shape. Okay, so similar shape with diamond. And at the same time, please remember, yeah, they are giant, yeah. They are like damn big, bro. It's like me, giant, damn big, bro. Okay, for example, how many giant you have? You have SiO2, your silicon 4 oxide. Okay, what else? Okay, at the same time, you have diamond, yeah. Okay, all these are your giant. Okay, for example, this is a diamond structure, am I right? Okay, so this is a graphite, because do you see that you have delocalized electron here? Okay, and this is a silicon 4 oxide. Reason, because you have different atom. Okay, so the big one is silicon, the smaller one is oxygen, yeah. Okay, so this big one is silicon. So the answer is donkey, right? Okay, what C is known as a phase center cubic. At the same time, this is also for your ionic lattice. Okay, example, your NaCl. Okay, you guys will be learning more about phase center cubic ionic lattice, how you draw it in A levels. Does it count bonding? Does it count as the bonding for graphite? My boss asked you put poster as background. Poster, which poster? Can you guys send me the poster? As in, I don't have the poster. Perhaps you can drop it to me. You send it to my WhatsApp so I can put it here. Okay, the layers, babies. Remember, yeah? Okay, this again, you will learn it more in your A levels. In between, it's a true or strong covalent bonding. Okay, it is a strong covalent bonding. And in between the layer, give me a second. I'm just gonna destroy some paper. You look like, oh yeah, by the way, I'm not in Malaysia. Hey, I'm Malaysia MCO. You think I'm in Malaysia? No, I'm not in Malaysia. Okay, guys, you just imagine your graphite. Graphite is basically like a piece of paper. You see, graphite is a piece of paper. Can you see that? This is one layer. In between the layer is so dang strong. Like, it's so strong. You try to tear the paper apart. It's very hard for you to tear the paper apart. However, if you place all this paper together, it's very easy for them to slide over each other. Am I right? Can you see that? Okay, so in between them, it's a weak. Okay, weak intermolecular or weak. We call it as van der Waals forces of attraction by your delocalized electron. So, due to the fact that they are weak, graphite can slide, yeah. Okay, I just show you a perfect example. You just imagine you are stacking a piece of paper together. Okay, so in between the paper is slidable, slidable. I don't care. Slippery. I don't care. Okay, but the same layer is so damn strong. It's like me. Strong, bro. Okay, cool. Okay, number 6. Lithium and fluorine reacts each other. You see, right? Okay, this is a story that Ryan will never get. Okay, it's a male and a female, and they form lithium fluoride, a couple. A story that Ryan will never get. Okay, so a student write 3 statements about the reaction. Lithium atom loses. You see, right, in a relationship, guy always lose something. Like, guys always buy a girl gift, buy this, buy that. Guys always lose something. Damn sad. Yes, correct. Okay, then fluoride has 1 more electron than, fluoride ion has 1 more electron. Reason, yes, correct, because we see fluoride, right, girls, after they get into relationship, they flex, oh my God, my boyfriend bought me this, my boyfriend bought me that. Same thing, they receive electron. Yes, correct. Lithium fluoride is a mixture of element. Okay, it's not a mixture of element. This is a compound here. Reason they form ionic bonding, right? It's ionic compound here.